Good morning, students. Today is the first day. I will teach you what is art. I will explain you the definition of art, what is art, what is the purpose of art, branches of art, art material. So please pay attention to me and what I am saying and just listen. And afterwards you have to answer the questions which I will ask you later. So, what is art? Art is a creative medium of expressing emotions and ideas. It is defined in various ways like drawing of visual arts, drawing with imagination, and drawing with symbols. Art is present everywhere around us, in almost every visible form. Art plays an important role in the society as well. Art has a diverse range of human activities, creations, and modes of expressions, including music, literature, film, architecture, and other things. And it stimulates different parts of our brain as well to make us laugh, to make us cry, to make us mourn, whatever. It evokes our emotions also. Now, in simple language, I will explain you one more time that what is art. The expression or the application of human creative skills is art. The simplest definition is this, and now we will talk about the branches of art. There are two branches of art. One is visual and another one is performing arts. Visual art consists of your drawing and painting, sculpture and architecture, and performing art consists of music, dance, film, theater. These all are called performing arts. Now children, I will talk about you just like that. What is art and what are the branches of art? You have to answer me in your assignment. On a separate, take a paper and just write two answers. What is art and what are the branches of art? Clear? Now children, in class 6, 7, 8, we will be talking about only just visual arts. Visual art consists of, I have told you earlier also, drawing and painting, especially for you people. So now I will explain you different types of drawing material which will be required throughout the session for you, and it is not compulsory that you all have to arrange right now all these things. This is just I was having it, so I am just sharing with you all. So please see to it now children, we will start with the pencil. We are having two types of pencils. See, this is the common pencil which we use for just a sketching work. This is normal HB pencil. This is a normal HB pencil. So you can see. I think it is not visible, but this is common HB pencils. Now we come later to the pencils which are used for shading purpose. There are two types of pencils. One is H side pencils and another one is B side pencils. H side pencils are used by engineers. They are of lighter shades. But for artists, we use the B group pencils such as 2B, 6B, 4B, 8B, 10B and so on. It depends on the darkness of the pencil. Okay. Then this one, eraser and sharpener. Then I have these calligraphical pens. See, we can see that there is a tip. You can see the tip, chisel tip. It is having a chisel tip. These types of pens we use in calligraphy. When we use any writing work, then at that time we use this. So there are three types of pen, 1, 2 and 3, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 according to the thickness of it. Now we have this normal wax colors which are used by small kids, but in different drawings by the students of class 6, 7, 8 also. Now this is oil pastel colors, you all know that, and this comes in with this packet to give the different type of texture. Okay, now here are some different types of glitter pens, and these are neon pens, you know. See, these are the pens having a neon shades. So likewise, now we'll come to, these are the normal glitter pens. Glitters, sorry, not pen, these are the glitters. Now here it is, there are different types of watercolor cakes. These are not a tube colors, these are not a poster colors. These are the watercolor which are based on water, and this all are in cake form, not a tube form, not a bottle form, it is a cake form. Now we come for the brushes. There are different types of brushes. One is of round brushes and another is called flat brushes. Right now I don't have here at my home any round brushes, but this are the, see, this is a flat brush. Okay, so this all will be needed when we will be doing the coloring work. Now the most familiar colors are these three. These are called Rangila colors, so that will be needed in the coloring portion. When we will do the coloring, then we will be needing it. And this is your A4 size, whatever size it is, 36 pages book, art book, Camlin art book. And the pages you see here, you all might, the cartridge sheet, cartridge paper is used in this. So this is your drawing sheet. If you have, it is good, but if you don't have, don't bother. You will be doing any practice work, practical work in A4 size also. So this is your drawing material, children.